You're bidding on a snap-on brake drum lathe and brake disc lathe. I've got the model numbers. I'll have them in the pictures and in the ad. This one here got damaged in shipping. You can see this pulley, it's aluminum, it can be reattached. The micrometer dial and everything works, it goes in and out. The feed do this back and forth. The drum feed goes back and forth. I don't know how to get it to draw, but okay, that's good. Nice and quiet machine. This here, I don't know, it's not doing anything. The switch is not snapping on like this. This snaps on and off. This is not doing anything. We're selling these here for parts or repair. They were said to work, but I see problems with them, and our loss will be your gain. Here's plug this one in too, please. Here's the disc brake unit. This here is the lathe type where you mount it. This holds it stiff. This is also a snap-on. Something, I don't know, is missing here or not. I'm not super familiar. Lamp works. Why did it light? Oh, okay, it lit that one. All right. On-off motor. So, something's doing there. And this thing isn't doing anything, so I don't know what to tell you. I turned it, nothing is happening. This wrench was with it, but I don't see anything where I can engage it, so this is what it is. You're buying the pair, that's how we're selling it. What we have for sale is just what we're taking pictures of. The only tooling it looks like is on that arbor for the disc brake and this nut here. That's what it is. Good luck bidding.